and watch country destroy itself on CNN. Or we can sit back and watch country destroy itself on CNN.
So here's how it came out. There was a dent there. Clean that up. These stays were all cracked, so it was really hard to get. It had all that weld globbed up. It's full of cracks. It's pretty bad. So it didn't weld as nice as I would like.
Like you see, you know, it's a major city, so we have to assault tanks. We go in the streets, send us in first squad.
Dropouts came out pretty nice. He's gonna hand file those the rest of the way. They're supposed to have a little lip right on the end, so he's gonna just hand file these out and probably put the lip back in. I tried to put just enough material on there so that it'll sit right, and then he wanted to do this side so the serial number didn't get wiped out. So he's gonna file this and sand it. I think that's everything. I think it looks pretty good. Guess we'll know when it gets powder coated or painted or whatever he's gonna do. It's a PK Ripper. I think he said an 86. It was like a 1-year thing with the bent chain stays and the straight seat stays. It's like a 86 or 87.